Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome to Macau. And now, our date of our tour for the Asian from Hong Kong to Macau. Actually, ang lapit lang ng Hong Kong to Macau. Kaya we give our daytime, allocate a time for Macau tour. So, madali lang actually mapuntahan ng Macau from Hong Kong. It's a ferry, I think 30 minutes or 1 hour going to Macau. And then, papunta ng Macau, hindi na po kayo problema. Actually, pagdating nyo sa ferry, meron na agad sa salubong na bus. A free shuttle bus kung saan nyo gustong pumunta ng hotel. And this hotel, the first stop is the Venetian Hotel. Venetian Hotel is the very luxurious hotel. Ito yung pinakamahal na hotel daw for the Macau. Itong presentation na to, show is, I don't know if it's everyday sa Macau, sa Venetian Hotel. Nasa loob mismo siya ng Venetian Hotel. So yung mga hotel sa Macau, it's merong mall in one, mall, hotel, and casino. So, as you can see, may H&M, may mga Nike, and other hotel shopping stores. And meron din actually makainan na mura din. Kahit mamahalin siyang hotel, pwede kang kumain ng mura like yung sa... This one is sa casino po. Yung sa baba is yung casino area ng Venetian Hotel. And dahil wala kaming pang casino, nagtutour na lang tayo dito sa Venetian Hotel. So, this is a very luxurious hotel. Isa sa mga magagandang hotel sa Macau. Kung makikita niyo po sa structure, sa design pa lang, napaka-luxurious niya. And the next stop, as you see, may mga bus na yan naghihintay or shuttle bus to lead you to other next hotel that you want. So the next stop hotel is the Galaxy Hotel in Macau. So pagpasok mo pa lang may luxurious stores na. So same, meron din silang mall, parang mall, where you can see stores, yung mga bibigating stores talaga, and then casino po. So yan po yung Galaxy Macau. Here we're waiting for the show. Meron silang show kasi dito din, yung kanilang water fountain show, which you can see the lights changing. So dito din na hotel din malaman mo na wala talagang marami talagang pera dito, yung hindi mo alam na may naghihirap sa mundo kasi napakaraming makikita mo napaka-luxurious ng hotel din ito. So let's watch and see the show. This is a fountain show na parang may gem and water here. So talagang napakabongga ng show na to. You are very amazed with this show. Kaya marami din taong tumitingin and naghihintay sa show na to. So, you can see, let's watch this. Yan, umaangat. Ano kayong umaangat? And water, and then parang chandelier, napakabonggang chandelier. See? And then parang may galaxy na lalabas dyan. Yung galaxy creatures. Can you see? This is a water fountain. Napakabongga ng lights. The effects of lights. And there, may lalabas. Ano pa yung lalabas niya? Oh, it's like a galaxy. Oh, napaka-luxurious. Ang mahal siguro ng ano na to. Expensive, luxurious, magnificent. So, pag lumabas tayo, so dapat picture taking na. Minsan lang daw yan lalabas. Napaka-world class ng kanilang show. Only in Macau. Para siyang crystal. After that, yan, parang din siyang lalamunin and it disappear. Ito po yung sa Galaxy Hotel malapit sa casino area. So very luxurious, amazing. Super galing.
Thank you for watching. Bye. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe my channel.